Hello and welcome back. Our task today is to find the value of x in this logarithmic equation. To solve this question correctly, the first thing we need to do is to square both sides. So we are given the domain that x is greater or equal to 0. So the first thing is to square both sides. If we square both sides of this logarithmic equation, we will have that the square root of x to power log 4 plus x equals x to power log 5. If we square both sides of this logarithmic equation, we will have that this square cancels out this square root. And from here, we have that this is x to power log 4 plus x equals, from here, we'll apply the power law of indices. If we have a to power m or to power n, that these two powers can multiply. So we have that this is a mn, that is m times n. So from here we have that this is log 5 multiplied by 2 gives us x to power 2 log 5. Now from here we'll have that x to power log 4 plus x equals x. Now from the power rule of logarithm, if we have log a to power x, whereby this log is raised to this power here can be used to multiply this log itself, and this term that is multiplying this log now can also return back to become a power. So these two here is coming backward as a power. So if that happens, we have that this is log 5 squared. All right, so from here we have this is x to power log 4 plus x equals x to power log 25. All right, so how do we simplify this place? Remember this law. If we have a to power log b base a, this base and this log, they can interchange their position. That is, this b can come over here and this a return to this place. So we have this is b to power log a base a. So this term here from this place, how do we simplify this place? If we have, how do we simplify this term here? If we have x to power log 10, x to power log 10 is still the same thing as x, because log of base 10 is 1. So if log of base 10 is 1, this is x raised to the power of 1, and this equals what? X. I can say here, I can represent this like this by saying x to power 4 plus x to power log 10 equals x to power log 25. All right. So how do we simplify this place? Recall that if we have a to power log b base a, that this base and this log can interchange. That is, we'll have that this is b to power log a base a. So from here, this base and this log will interchange, and we'll have that this is 4 to power log x plus, they will interchange, 10 to power log x equals this 2, 25 to power log x. All right, so clearly log x is common. We'll make a substitution by saying let log x equals a letter y. So wherever we see log x, we put the variable y. So this 4 to power y plus 10 to power y equals 25 to power y. But we know that 25 to power y is greater than what? 0. So we will divide both sides by 25 to power y, 25 to power y, and 25 to power y. Clearly, this can cancel out this. So 25 to power y and 25 to the power y divide 25 to the power y. This term cancels out this term, and we have 1. So clearly, this place here, from this law, if we have a to the power k over b to the power k, this equals a over b all to the power what? K. So from here, clearly, what are we saying? This is 4 over 25 all to the power y plus 10 over 25 all to the power y equals 1. But from this law, we know that from here, this place 2 to the power 2 here gives us 4, and 5 to the power 2 gives us what? 25, right? So we can represent this as 2 to the power 2 all over 5 to the power 2 all to the power y plus, we can divide this, because if 5 goes here, we have to 5 into 25, this is 5. So this is 2 over 5 all to the power y equals 1. All right then, so from here, recall that if we have a to the power k all over b to the power k, this is 2 to the power 2 all over 5 to the power 2, a to the power k over b to the power k, this equals a over b all to the power k. So clearly from here, we can write this as 2 over 5 all to the power 2, then all to the power y, plus 2 over 5 all to the power y, then equals, of course, 1. From the power rule of indices, we know that if we have a to the power m all to the power n, these two powers can interchange. And if they interchange, what happens? We have that this is a to the power n all to the power n. Alright, so from here, these two powers can interchange, and we have that this is just 2 over 5 all to the power y all squared plus 2 over 5 all to the power y, and of course equal to 1. Alright, from here we will make a substitution because we have two common terms. So we'll say that let 2 over 5 to the power y equals a letter k. So from here, this is what we are going to do. So that let k equals 2 over 5 all to the power y, given that k is greater than what? 0. So exponential equations are always positive. So what do we do from here? Wherever we see 2 over 5, we put the value of k. So this is k squared plus k, and of course equal to 1. So let's arrange it because this is a quadratic equation. K squared plus k minus 1 equals what? 0. So clearly we can't factorize this, but we can use the quadratic formula to solve this. Formula, we know that this is k equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Alright, let's make the proper substitution. From here, our value of a is the coefficient of k here, which is 1. So our value of a is 1. The value of b here is the coefficient of k here, which is 1. And our c is negative 1. So let's substitute. So k equals negative b, which is negative 1, plus or minus the square root b squared, that is b, that is 1 squared, still the same thing, minus. Now this is 4 times a times c. 4 times a, our a is 1, so 4 times 1 is still 1. 4 times c, which is negative 1, so 4 times negative 1 gives us negative 4. So negative 4. Alright, so let's all over. Alright, so from here, 2, we have 2 times a, our a is 1, so that is 2. And we know that k equals negative 1 plus or minus the square root. Negative times negative, positive. So 4 plus 1 gives us 5. And of course, all over what? 2. Alright, so we have two values from here. The two values are k equals negative 1 plus the square root of 5 all divided by 2. Or k equals negative 1 negative the square root of 5 all divided by 2. We see that k must be positive. So we are going to reject this one and we go with this. So we are going with this. All right, so let's recall. Recall that 2 all over 5 all to power y equals a letter k, and our k here is what? Minus, so this should be square root of 5. Yes, square root of 5. So minus 1 plus the square root of what? 5, and of course all over 2. So if we keep this in terms of logarithm, we'll have that this is y equals log base 2 over 5 of the square root of 5 minus 1 all over what? 2. All right, and also recall, we need to recall that log x was equal to y. So log x was equal to what? Y. And log x equals, our value of y is what? Log base 2 over 5 of the square root of 5 minus 1 all over 2. And so clearly what will happen? We'll obey the law of logarithm. All right, from here what will happen? We'll obey the law of logarithm. So this is coming, I will have that this is x equals 10 to power log base 2 over 5 of the square root of 5 minus 1 all over 2. So this is the value of x, and this is approximately 3.351, and this is the value of x. All right, do well to subscribe to this channel for more interesting problems like this. See you in my next video.